This is a Sears Lasko turn of the century ornate ceiling fan. This is in my aunt's house. It doesn't have the blade badges on it like the other turn of the century ornate that my aunt has. But this fan is 1 speed if you use the pull chain, and I can't reach the thing that you twist to change speeds, so here's the only speed that I can show it. It's running in reverse right now. This is a pretty good fan. The light globe is loose, so have to tighten that up. As you can see, one of the bulbs burn out, I believe. This is a really nice fan, in my opinion. I like the old classic ornate look. And I'll turn it off. Thank you for watching this video on this ornate ceiling fan. So thank you for watching. Bye.